Hello gentlemen, it's Mr. Brown coming at you with another video lecture, and today we're going to be talking about biodiversity. So fly with me, and here we go. As you probably remember from Chapter 2, the number of different species in an area is called its biodiversity. Tropical rainforests are the most biodiverse place on the planet. We see biodiversity increase as we move from the Earth's poles towards its equator, which is where we find the Earth's tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests cover 7% of the planet but make up half of its species. This is because it's warm and wet. Think about grass and trees greening up after a good rain. It is ideal for life to thrive. Coral reefs are the number 2 most biodiverse place on the planet. They make up less than 1% of the ocean's area, but support 20% of the world's saltwater fish. Let's jump into our Section 3 review. Number 1 asks, what 3 factors affect biodiversity? And we just have to go back to page 97 where we can find those 3 things: area, diversity of niches, and climate. Number 2 asks us to list 4 possible causes for the extinction of a species. And pages 101 to 103 give us poaching, pollution, habitat destruction, and exotic species. Number 3 asks us to give a legal and a scientific approach that we can use to prevent the extinction of species. And as far as the legal side goes, we can look at the 1973 Endangered Species Protection Act, which prohibited the sale and trading of any endangered species. My wife has this weird friend who was visiting Vancouver and came upon one of these, what's called a chimera taxidermy creature. So the taxidermist will take parts of different animals and throw them together to create a whole new creature. And she decided to purchase the item as a gift for my wife. Upon going through customs when she was coming back to the United States, she had the item confiscated, and 3 weeks later she received a letter in the mail informing her that an endangered species feathers were used in the creation of this creature. Needless to say, my wife never received the gift. Number 4 asks, what are the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth? And if we go back to the beginning of this video, we've learned that the tropical rainforests and the coral reefs are the 2 most biodiverse ecosystems on our planet. Number 5, identify 3 ways in which biodiversity is important. If we flip back to page 99, we see more than just 3 ways that are listed. Here are a few right here. And number 6, thinking critically, making generalizations. Explain how the statement in the web of life, all things are connected, relates to keystone species. So I'm asking you to go on Canvas once again, and in 3 to 4 sentences, let me know what you think